Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last few videos, I have covered different locators in Selenium. Today I am going to cover the difference between find element and find elements method in Selenium. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel and also press bell icon. So let's start. So this find element and find elements, these are the methods that is used to find the web element defined in this locator. Means by using locators, I am locating the elements, and by using find element, it will find the elements. So basically this find element and find elements, these are the methods which is used to find the elements defined by using the locators. The difference here is find element. This will returns unique elements or only one element within the web page. Means it will return only one element, and find elements. It will return the list of web element. I will use previous program only. Okay, so here I have opened this demo guru99.com. That page I have opened, and I am clicking on this here. This is click here. That partial that link is there, and by using a partial link text, I am clicking on that link and I am printing the title. So this is a previous code. I'm using that one, and this is the application. And here these are the click here. These are the links. So, two links with the same name. So suppose here I'm using find element, and by using partial link text, I'm finding this link, and I will print link dot attribute get attribute. I will get ref. So by using this get attribute, I will print its a attribute, href attribute. I will inspect this, click here, this link. So here A is a anchor tag is there, and href attribute. In href attribute, it's a on clicking that link, it will navigate to this google.com page. That link is mentioned here. And for second, click here, its a href attribute is www.fb.com. Now click here. These are the two links. Okay, and by using find element, it will return the first element. Okay, if multiple elements are there, then it will return first element. So we will print the attribute and href attribute. So let's take this. So its attribute is www.google.com. Means it will click on it will find this, it will search this first link. Now suppose I will use find elements. By using find elements, it will return all the lists, or it will return the all elements, okay, within the list that are matching with this that are matching with this locator. So we will print its size. So for list, we are having len method. Len method will give the size of the list. And here I will pass link. And one more, I will print it's a type as well. Type of link. Means it will give me the link. Link is of list or other type. That is also it will give me. So let's execute and check. So see here, by using len method, it will give me the number of elements in that list. Okay, so two methods means two elements means two web elements are there with this partial link text that are matching with this partial link text. And type. So I have already covered in my Python tutorial. This type is nothing but it will give the type of the this variable, and its type is list. Means this link, it is of type list, means it will hold the list element. So this is about find element and find elements. Now if I am using find element, okay, if I am using find element method, and now consider I am using find element, okay, and here I will give here wrong value of this partial link text. Means its value I will give wrong, and let's check what it is giving. So if I am executing this, So it is giving me the exception. You can see here, selenium common exception, no such element exception. Means if by using this here's it is not there links name, means here that element is not found. Okay, on this page I have given wrong name of this link. So that's why here that name is that web element, it is not found, fine. That's why it is throwing this no such element exception. But if in case if I am using this find elements, and if I am printing the size, if I am printing the size, then we'll see what error it is giving, or it is throwing error or not. We'll see. So see, here program is executed, and here though I am giving the wrong value, then it will, here it will return zero element. Okay, its a list element is zero, but it will not throw any exception. So here list size is zero. Means here by using find element, if element not found, then it will throw no such element exception. But by using find elements, if element not found, then it will return the empty list. Okay, but it will not throw any exception. So that is the another difference. So in project, if suppose any particular field is displaying depending upon the value selection, means that is conditional, then in that case we can use these find elements. Okay, or otherwise we have to use try catch. So find element, it will return the unique element from the page, and if multiple elements are there, then it will return first element starting from the node. And find elements, it will return the list of the elements that are matching with the with that locator. So that is the one difference. And other is, if element is not found, then find element method will throw exception, that is no such element. But find elements will not throw such exception. If elements are not found, it will return the empty list. So this is all about find element and find elements. So if you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to this channel. So that's all from today's video. Thank you.